Ow!
Hey, what's up YouTube? DiGiTiLsOuL here. Now I've had something on my head and I want to share that with you. Hello YouTube. I'm DiGiTiLsOuL's head. And the reason why I haven't been around filming videos as of late, as you know that I spoke of rain for many days straight. Well, it hit us for 9 days, and for 2 days we had absolutely no power. And this is the second time now that we've had no power. And it's a little frustrating sometimes, but I would like you to know that he is vividly working on more videos for you to watch, to entertain, to stop and make you think, or for anything else for that matter. But we always appreciate you watching. But for right now, here's a little taste of what happened on the day the power went out. Outside, I'm filming like day 9 of rain. Yeah, it's all like that. Rain, 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 rain. Can't go outside, can't film no videos, can't do nothing. Because all it does is rain. Woo, that was a loud one. Yeah. You can't even see outside. I can't do nothing. It's so hot in the house. Who the heck wants to film inside all the time, you know? But that's what I'm going to be subject to here pretty soon. You don't get rid of a storm. It just runs its course. I wonder if that caught anything when I went to go handle your business. One of our garbage cans blew over the hill and it's filling with water. When the rain stops, I'll go get it.
This far.
Yeah, well, the one's over the hill.
Where?
Down over there, the brown one, you can't hardly see it.
I see it. It's a piece of wood.
There's all kind of stuff blowing down the street. We got like a river happening here.
Hey, look in there. Look, water.
Back away from the window.
There's water in there.
Yeah, I understand that.
Look at this.
That's my lid for my cat good.
You just lose it.
I mean, this is what we're dealing with here. It's been raining for days and days. You can't turn the fan on there because there's no power. There's just water coming down my stairs. This is crazy. Look at my driveway. I'm going to have to fix all that.
Yeah.
That's no fun. Look at that.
How are you going to do all this?
It's nature doing her thing.
Well, how are you going to get all that water?
I don't know, man. But like it's like flooded.
Well, you have to get rid of it.
Yeah, I'll do my best whenever it stops raining. Back away from the window.
Ooh, that was a big storm.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Well, your mother just called me on the cell phone and just let me know that they had issued a tornado watch. I don't have television right now because we have no power. What we have is day 9 of constant rain barrage. I mean, there's a couple hours here and there where it's not raining, but it's just wet every single day.
Oh no.
I know.
He touched you.
Well, let's hope no tornadoes come in. We're going to go downstairs in the basement for a while now. See what
There's
happens.
power down there.
It's not that there's power, it's just safer down there. So they say. But we'll see what happens. Hopefully this video will get posted. Peace. And that's what's happening. Alright, but this is Digital Soul. I always appreciate you guys. Can't even talk. I always appreciate you guys supporting me. Alright? And I'll see you next time. Peace. Psh.